If you're still within the sound of my voice over some radio, I just want you to know you were always my only choice. When will I be loved? When I find a new man that I want for mine.
It was almost like I could trace all the chapters of my life to the sound of her voice. So tonight, with the help of my friends, that's exactly what we're gonna do.
Now I see how you really are.
There's my girl, Linda Ronstadt. 1983, Linda Ronstadt scores a career triumph with a spectacular trilogy of albums of standards that she'd recorded with the Nelson Riddle Orchestra.
Linda, like me, loved to stand in her living room and sing. She would perch herself next to the radio. She would scroll the dial until she found a station that got good reception. Usually it was from across the border in Mexico.
Quiero que vivas sola para mí, es que tú vayas por donde yo voy, para que mi alma esté más de ti, besame con así. Do you know that maybe all I need is someone to lay down beside me? And even though it's not real, just someone to lay down beside me. You're the story of my life. 'Cause I've done everything I know to try and make you mine. And I think I'm gonna love you for a long some sweet day, I'm gonna take away this hurting inside. You better let somebody love you.